Welcome back to my kitchen to cook the book, and today I have chosen FALASTIN, which is the new book by Sami, Tamimi and Wigley, and it's a beautiful book. I really want to cook almost everything from this, but I have chosen something really nice for you guys. So I have chosen cauliflower and cumin fritters with mint yogurt, and this is how it's going to be looking. So I'm really excited. So this new book is about Palestinian food. It is packed with some really nice sweets and mains and little snacks and so much amazing food. Going to start with a small cauliflower. So what I've done is I have chopped them up into small pieces. It's not a very big cauliflower, just a small one, and now I am going to cook this. I've got a pan of boiling water. I'm adding a good teaspoon of salt, and to this I'm going to add my cauliflower and then cook this for 4 to 5 minutes until it's nice and soft. Not more than that, otherwise it will dissolve in the water. So this is done. 4 minutes. I'm going to drain this, and I've just got a cup underneath this sieve to collect a little bit of the water. Potato masher, and just mash them up slightly. Of course, if you let it cool down slightly, you can use your hands if you wish to. Actually, I'll stick with the masher. It's much easier. Have here is broken up slightly cooked cauliflower, and now add all the other ingredients. The first thing to go in is 1.5 teaspoon of ground cumin, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, Aleppo pepper. I haven't got that, so I'm just using some chili powder in here. You could use chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and I've got 1 onion which I have finely chopped, goes in, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Also going to get a handful of flat leaf parsley and then just finely chop it. So this goes into our mix as well. So just mix it all up. Oh, it smells so good. In this bowl, I'm going to get 2 eggs and just whisk them slightly. To our cauliflower mix, just coat it well. And the last thing to go is 120 grams of plain flour. Just going to use my hands. So this mix is still quite thick, and what you want is a little bit thinner. So I have the couple of tablespoons of water I saved from the cauliflower. So that's 1. I'm just going to see if I need any more. Just 1 more. So 2 tablespoons of water. And that is going to give us the right consistency. Perfect. And just mix it properly for a few seconds. And I've got some oil getting hot there. I'm going to take it there and fry it and enjoy it, and that's how easy and delicious they are. We've got some sunflower oil in here, and I am just going to take a small portion of this and just try and spread it a little bit. A couple of minutes on each side and then just turn them over. Look at that color, beautiful. There's a lovely dip that goes with the fritters, and here I've got some natural yogurt. It's asking for Greek style yogurt, but I really don't use that at all, to be honest. So I've got some natural yogurt here, and to this I'm going to add a good tablespoon of olive oil. I've got extra virgin olive oil, and also lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Some salt to taste. Now the last thing that goes in this dip is some dried mint. Obviously I haven't got any, so I'm just using a little tablespoon of fresh mint leaves, and then I'm going to mix it all up. So our dip's ready for our fritters, and these are coming out, which means it's time to plate up. I've got one last round left, which I'll do later. I really want to eat these first, so let's plate it up. They smell so good. They smell so good. And of course, I'm going to dip it in the mint yogurt. It's just delightful. And you saw how easy they were to make. Such amazing flavors. And they feel quite light as well, because they didn't soak up much oil at all, which is a good thing. That means you can have a few more. So good, guys. Wow, beautiful. So next time you have that cauliflower in your veg box, or you don't know what to make with this, this is what you need to try. Hope you're going to enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe. And bye for now. I'm going to get them make a cup of tea, because they will go so well with that. Thanks.